Everyone, in this video we will see how AC and a transient analysis of low pass filter and high pass filter using PSpice software. So first we will see the circuit diagram of low pass filter and a high pass filter. This is the circuit diagram of low pass filter and this is the circuit diagram of high pass filter. So in this low pass filter we have to take the output from the capacitor side, and high pass filter we take the output from resistor side. So let us start the schematic. So this is the AC analysis of the filter and this is the transient analysis. Like this we have to see this is a high pass filter circuit high pass filter AC analysis. So let us see how to make a schematic in PSpice software. So we open the schematics in Arcade PSpice. So while opening we will get a page like this. So here from this tab we can say open new tab or open a existing file and saving and all this. So here is the analysis setup for analysis and simulation. So so to write it to draw a circuit we have need the components. So for that components we need to click Ctrl plus Z to get the component space for. So as shown in the figure we have a capacitor, a resistor and a voltage source. So R is the resistor. So to get the resistor we have to click R. So here I have to place the resistance here. And for low pass filter capacitor is in vertical position. So I have to rotate it and by clicking Ctrl plus R we have to rotate it. R means rotate, it will mean. So after clicking place button we have to place this component at whatever place we want and then right click their mouse uh, to get out of it. And then for AC analysis we use VAC and have to we place it here, and then VAC ground, G and D earth we have to take here, place here and close tab. So to connect these elements we need a wire. So for the wire we have to click Ctrl plus W. So here, from here to here, here to here, here to, and here to here, and then we will place a text here, AC and transient analysis of filter. Okay, I have to place it here. Yeah, actually this image size is very tiny, so we have to click this one to fit to the face. So we have to take the output and input waveform. So we have to in place here probes in voltage probes in this area. It is the input and it is the output waveform probe. So the circuit diagram is okay. So let us give the values to the R and C. So this values is sufficient, and then we have to give the double clicking again. We have to give the values for the AC voltage. So magnitude is 5 volts and the phase is 0 volts is given to VAC. So now the circuit is complete. So we have to make a setup for AC analysis. Go to setup, AC sweep, double clicking on it, set to linear, okay, close. So again go to analysis and get the simulate. New schematic must be saved. I have to save it as low pass filter. I saved and it is creating a netlist and creating a simulation file as well as a circuit file. So here we can see that this red line is the input and this green line is the output. So in low pass filter some bandwidth Up to some frequency the band is allowed, other above that frequency the band is stopped. So here up to 1 kilohertz the band is allowed, other than it is not allowed. No. So this is low pass AC analysis of low pass filter. Again we have to make a transient analysis. We cannot make a transient analysis from this VSC, so we need V sign for that. So again we have to click this element and click this scissor symbol to cut that element. Again control G to components. Again use V sign, place and close this one and place this here V sign. Double clicking on it and we have to give the minimum and maximum positions of V sign. One kHz, 1 kHz is given to as a frequency. Okay, now the transient analysis setup is also okay. We have to make a setup in this. So enable transient analysis and double clicking on it. We will give the time period of 10 milliseconds only, not mega, milliseconds, and a step size of 0.01 milliseconds. Okay, skip the initial solution and okay, and close analysis, simulate. Sorry, I think we have to make changes, as in previous we didn't give V symbol here, so we didn't get the output. Here we give V symbol 5 volts and 0 volts. Now we can, and in analysis in setup we have to make that in transient like this only. Now we can simulate analysis, simulate. We get the waveform, red color waveform as the sine waveform as the output in the RC filter. This is the transient analysis. Okay, then now we will move to the high pass filter. So I have a high pass filter, I already made that one. I just opened that file, high pass filter. Okay, this is the high pass filter, AC and transient analysis of high pass filter. This is again give 0 and 5 amplitude. This is this is V sign values. So first we will see transient analysis and then see AC sweep in this high pass filter. So save changes. Okay, this the same, just we have to entertain this R and C analysis setup. We'll see SSL, we didn't change to it, change to linear. Okay, close and simulate. Hmm? So again we can see how to, again we can see this analysis and simulate high pass filter. I think sorry, as this is a V sign, we have to make a transient analysis of high pass filter. So again go to analysis setup and fix and transient analysis. Fix 0 seconds to 1 millisecond and a step of 0.01 millisecond. So we will get now the output of close analysis simulate. So this red line is the output form of high pass filter. So now we will make analysis setup. We have to change this milliseconds to 10 milliseconds. Okay. Then when we simulate it, we will see the input and output form of the high pass filters. Okay. Now we will make the transient analysis on this. Again cut this one, Control G, V sin or VAC. We need VAC for this one. We place, change the values 0 to 5, phase to phase to 0 degrees, or whatever we want. Okay. Now we will make a setup to transient analysis. Sorry, AC analysis. Save, close, simulate. Now this red line is the input and this green line is the output form. As you can see, in high pass filter only the some bandwidth of high frequencies was allowed to. So this is the graph. Okay. Okay. Thank you.